What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how you can use MetaTrader 5 to trade synthetic indices. All right, so in our previous video we talked about how you can set up your account and how you can actually connect it to MetaTrader 5. So if you have viewed this content and you are yet to actually create your trading account, you can actually visit the previous video to have a proper guidance on how to do that, or click the link in the description of this video so you can actually set up your trading account and then come back to this video to learn how you can use MetaTrader 5 for your trading. All right, so looking at my screen, you can see the MetaTrader 5 app. So I'm just going to open the app in a minute. So guys, this is the app, and if you, as you see my screen, we have different section on the app that you can see. You see the part that is written as quotes, right? This is quotes. This is charts. This is trade. This is history. And this is message. So I'm just going to explain all of these things right now. Now the quote is a section that contains the item that you will be trading. All right, so under quote you're definitely going to see all the various items that you'll be trading. For example, on my screen you are seeing step index, volatility 10, volatility 10 1x down to volatility 90 1x. So these are the various instruments that are available for me to trade. So that is what will be displayed under quote. Now for the chart is just the graphical representation of what a particular pair or what a particular instrument is currently doing. Take for instance, if I click on this chart, this is what you are going to see, and this is the chart of volatility 90 1x. Okay, so this is where you basically do your analysis, try to check what price is doing before making any trading decision. So this is what you can see on the chart. Now for the trade, when you click on trade is going to display your account balance. You can see 1,157. So if you have a running trade, you are also going to see it under trade. If you have a trade that maybe you just enter a position and you're yet to close those positions, everything is going to be displayed under trade. Now when you come to this point, this history is to tell you your trade history, like what you have done for the past period of time, maybe in a week or in days or in a month. So it's going to display here. So both your all the positions that you've opened and you've closed, everything will be displayed here. So you can always try to like check the history by clicking on this, right, and then select the one you want to see. So when you click on that spot, it's going to show you this. So this is the history. If you want to check the history for the whole day, if you want to check your last week history, if you want to check for last month or last 3 months, or you can even customize. So when you click on customize, you can select the dates and then it will show you those history that you intend to see. So another beauty thing I want to show you about this app is, now when you have your screen like this, you can tap on it. Okay, so once you tap on it, you're going to see different things here. Now you're seeing M1, M5, M10, M15 and M30. So these are various time frame, and M1 simply means 1 minute time frame, while M5 means 5 minutes time frame. So you also have other items like this. Okay, so this item that you're seeing right now is where you can actually get tools for your analysis. All right, so for example, if you want to mark support and resistance, you want to mark trend line and all of those things, Fibonacci, so you have to come to this place where I circled. All right, so let's check what you can find under it. You click on this and it's definitely going to display all of these things that you're seeing here. Now the reason why you're seeing a lot of them is because I have been using them. Okay, now for you who is just starting or who is just using your MetaTrader 5 for the first time, you might not see all of this thing, but nevertheless everything you need is still here. Okay, so what you just need to do is whatever instrument you're looking for example, this box here, this is what we use to draw this is what you use. This is what we use to draw support and resistance. This is what we use to draw trend line. This is just an arrow to show market prediction, and this is what we call Fibonacci. But regardless of what of these names, if any item you're looking for, you can always click on this plus sign right here. This plus sign you're seeing right here, you can actually click on it. All right, then when you click on it, this is what she's going to show you. So you can always scroll down. You can see we have Fibonacci here. We have Fibonacci here, right? So there are other instruments as well. If you go down or you scroll up, you are still going to see the trend line. This is the trend line. This is why I said we use this particular item for what? Drawing trend line. So this is a trend line. This is an horizontal line, and I'm looking for the support and resistance as well. So yeah, so this is just basically it. So this is what we use to draw your support and resistance. Okay, so that is just basically what it is. So for instance, if I actually want to draw support and resistance, I can always, click on this, and then I'll come here and I'll place it on my screen. So this is it. Okay, you can see I already draw my support level. If I want to draw another one, I can always go back to do the same thing, tap on your screen, and this circle will pop up, and then you come back to this and you can draw your support anywhere on your screen. So if I want to draw my trend line, the same thing, tap on your screen, this thing will pop up, and you click on this thing, select this particular one, which is what we use to draw what? Support and resistance. So trend line. So you can see it is pretty much simple. Now another thing again I want to show you is where to buy and where to sell from. Now if you look at this level on my screen, this point and this point, so these are where you can actually find instant execution and pending order. Now the first one is actually area for pending order. Pending order is when you want to use limit order, like you want to use buy limit, sell limit, maybe because you've done your analysis and you are busy, you cannot wait enough to actually take your trade, so you decide to use pending order, meaning that whenever price gets to that particular level, your order will be executed. Now the second one is the pending one, the instant execution order. So that means that you waited for your confirmation and you are willing to strike the buy and sell button. Okay, so for example, if I click on this, see that this thing will disappear. Now if I tap on this one, you can see we have buy limit. So buy limit, you're saying that whenever price gets to this particular line and touches this line, you will have a trade set up for a buy. That is what it means. All right, so if I click on this right now, if I click on this, it will show you this particular one. It will show you sell or buy. Okay, so let's try it and see if it's definitely going to show us that. Okay, you see you have buy and sell. So if you want to buy, all you just need to do is to click on buy. But if you want to sell, all you need to do is to click on sell. So the moment you do that and you come under trade, you are definitely going to see your running position. All right, so this is pretty much how you can actually use our MetaTrader 5 to trade synthetic indices. And remember that the first thing you need to do if you don't have a trading account is to either visit the link in the description of this video to set up your trading account, which is actually very simple, or go back to our previous video to check how to set up your trading account in less than 5 minutes, and then you will have a proper guidance on how you can set up your account. So I believe you enjoyed this video. If you have viewed my content for the first time, please kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel so that I can actually help the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more people. So without wasting much time, we'll be stopping here, and I hope to see you in our next video. There is a link to our Telegram channel where we drop daily updates and free signal. You can also join the Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video. So stay tuned and peace out, guys. God bless you.